First thing, we put the flat washer and a stud in. Gets a flat washer and a nut on the back side. All right, now we're putting the pins in, which these are shipping pins. And we go ahead and start with a little gap in the doors on top and bottom. Hold it up a little bit, tighten him down. Same way on the bottom. I get a little bit closer a gap on the bottom than I do on top. Again, these are just shipping pins. We just put the little nuts on it so it don't bounce off the frame during shipping. Pretty much the same procedure on this side. It gets a flat washer on the top, stud through the frame, flat washer and a nut on the bottom side. Pin through them. This is where I pretty much final my gap. Get it situated where I want it. Leave the bottom gap just a little closer than I do the top. Times you might get them and the door's not quite even. We usually take a little straight edge bar and square them up. Same way on the bottom. Get it good and smooth all the way across. A little bit too tight at the bottom, so I want to unloose it a little bit. Just gonna grab it, pull it open.